Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sync older messages in WhatsApp web. Alright, so let's begin. If you rely on WhatsApp for daily communication and want to access old chats on your computer, this guide will make things super easy for you. So, in order to sync older messages in WhatsApp web, you have to follow these steps. First of all, open your browser and go to WhatsApp web. Make sure both your phone and your computer are connected to a stable internet connection, otherwise syncing won't work properly. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Now open WhatsApp on your phone, go to settings and tap on linked devices or WhatsApp web option depending on your device. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. This will instantly connect your phone to your browser and you'll see all your recent chats appear. Now click on the contact or conversation where you want to see older messages. By default, you will only see recent chats. To access older ones, start scrolling up in the chat window. Keep scrolling and after some time, you'll notice a prompt that says something like click here to get older messages from your phone. This is the key step. Once you see this option, simply click on it. What this does is tell WhatsApp web to fetch older messages directly from your phone. After clicking, wait a few seconds and you'll see older chats loading into your conversation. If you still don't see older messages, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and stays online during the process. And that's it. This is how you can sync older messages in WhatsApp web. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.